Grandma gave me birthday money.
That's wonderful, sweetheart.
How much did you get? $100.
Wow, that's a big gift.
I've been saving for a new bike.
A new bike? That seems unnecessary. It's my birthday money, but children don't need that much cash.
It was a gift for Charlotte.
I've been saving for months, too.
Or maybe the family could use it for something important.
Charlotte can decide how to use her gift. She's 11, not an adult.
It's HER money, though. Stay out of this, James.
And someone in this family needs to respect boundaries. She's been responsible with her savings.
Responsible? She's a child. That doesn't mean her feelings don't matter. Oh. Feelings don't pay bills. That's mean! I'm telling the truth.
No, you're being disrespectful.
I'm trying to help this family. By taking my birthday money?
Borrowing it.
Borrowing? Since when? Since now. Since now.
No! It's mine! Ah!
Don't raise your voice at me!
Don't pressure her.
You always baby these kids.
Charlotte earned that money.
Kids don't earn birthday gifts.
Grandma gave it to me because she loves me.
Love doesn't mean wasting cash. Nobody is wasting anything. A bike is a waste.
It's MY Dream Bike.
And she's worked hard for it.
Meanwhile, adults struggle with real problems. So now you're guilt-tripping a child?
She's 11 years old.
Exactly. Old enough to learn. Learn what? That adults steal? Watch your mouth.
No, he asked a fair question.
Wow. So now I'm the villain? The moment you tried taking money from our daughter? Yes. Fine. Then let me borrow it for a while.
No.
Fine. Then let me borrow it for a while.
No.
She already answered you. She doesn't understand money anyway.
She understands enough to know it belongs to her.
You're teaching her selfishness.
Wanting to keep my own gift isn't selfish.
Yeah!
Children should help adults when needed. Not by being pressured into giving up their birthday money.
Don't disrespect her either.
I'm just being realistic.
Why don't YOU save your own money? Excuse me?
James? Oh, Ethiopia.
He's paying attention, and that matters.
Wow. So the entire family is attacking me now?
Nobody attacked you.
You're all acting dramatic over a little cash.
Then stop trying to take it.
I don't understand why you keep asking. Because I need it more than you. That is not Charlotte's responsibility. Family should help family.
Family also respects children.
You've made her spoiled. I'm not spoiled.
She worked hard saving up.
Is this how you raise them? To be greedy and disrespectful?
Get out! Get out of my house right now!
You're failing them. They have no sense of reality. Our children have a perfect sense of reality. They know when someone is trying to take advantage of them. You're the one who started this!
Step back. Now.
It's my house, too. I have a right to be here.
No, it's not. And you're a contaprum, and you're leaving.
No, please don't take it.
Don't ever touch her.
You're all so disrespectful. I'm trying to help you.
Enough! Leave! Now!
Fine. See if I care.
Out. Now.
I can't believe you're all disrespecting me like this.
Respect is earned.
I just wanted to enjoy my birthday. And you still will. Not if everyone keeps treating me like a criminal.
Then stop acting like one.
James,
He's angry because Charlotte is hurt.
I don't even feel happy anymore.
Don't let this ruin your day.
She's crying over money. No. She's crying because an adult she trusted betrayed her.
I thought family cared about each other.
Family DOs care about each other.
Then why pressure an 11-year-old for cash?
Because nobody ever helps ME. That's not Charlotte's burden to carry. Easy for you to say.
Grandma would be really upset if she heard this. Ugh. Don't bring Mom into this. Grandma gave it to me with a smile.
Because she wanted you to be happy.
Happiness doesn't come from a bicycle. Neither does taking from children.
Why can't you just be happy for me?
Because the world isn't fair.
And making a child miserable won't fix your problems.
You think you're such a perfect parent. No, we're just protecting our daughter.
Like parents should.
Fine. Keep the money. I was always going to.
But this conversation isn't forgotten.
Oh, please.
I don't want you touching my money ever again!
Wow. Listen to her attitude.
That's called setting boundaries.
Good boundaries.
This family has changed.
No. We just stopped tolerating disrespect.
Dad, can I still save for my bike?
Absolutely.
And I'll help wash it when you get it.
Really?
See? That's what support looks like.
Thanks, Mom.
That might be best.
I didn't want to fight with Aunt Lisa.
You didn't start this.
But you stood up for yourself.
I guess I did.
And we're proud of you for that.
Really?
Very proud. Thanks, Bjaswell. Thanks, Mew.
So,
Birthday cake now? Definitely birthday cake.
And tomorrow, we go look at bikes together.
Best birthday ever.